friends, I wanted to show you how you will join our morning and afternoon meetings. So we're going to have two of each. At 8:30 in the morning, our Summit Point friends will join me for a quick morning meeting, and you guys will see this button here. A little bit before 8:30 every morning, this button will pop up. You might notice that you see it sometimes and then it disappears. That's just so that the link doesn't stay open. But a little bit before 8:30, this button will appear. All you have to do is click on it and it'll take you straight to our Google Meet. So there's our Summit Point friends, and then our Woodland and Hazel Grove friends. Yours looks very similar, but notice that we start at 9:05. That way the morning announcements and things at my building don't interrupt us. So a little bit before 9:05, your button will appear, and you'll click on that, and it'll take you straight to our meeting. So our morning meetings are blue, and then our afternoon meetings are orange. So you'll notice here our SPE friends will go first, and then our Woodland and Hazel Grove friends will go after that. These buttons also will appear and disappear so that the link isn't just open all the time. So a little bit before our afternoon meeting, you'll notice this. Let me show you what it looks like when you click on one. It'll take you right to our Google Meet, and then, hi! What you need to do before you join our room is make sure that your microphone is off so that we don't get a bunch of crazy noises when you guys come in. So this little button here is your microphone. I almost said microwave. You'll click on that, make sure it's off, and then hit join. And that's all there is to it. Can't wait to see you guys.